Honda Rebel 500 Best Motorcycle for Beginners. For those venturing into the world of motorcycling, the choice of their first ride is a significant decision that shapes their entire journey on two wheels. A motorcycle that combines approachability, style, and versatility is essential for beginner riders to build confidence and skills. The Honda Rebel 500 stands out as a beacon of excellence in this arena, offering a harmonious blend of user-friendly features, contemporary aesthetics, and a balanced performance that caters to the needs of newcomers to the riding community. An entry to style and substance. The Honda Rebel 500 seamlessly merges classic cruiser aesthetics with modern design elements, creating a bike that appeals to both traditional and contemporary tastes. Its minimalist yet eye-catching appearance exudes a sense of coolness that is sure to turn heads. For beginners who are just starting their motorcycling journey, the Rebel 500 offers a chance to ride in style and embrace the culture with a motorcycle that reflects their personality. Balanced power and performance. At the heart of the Rebel 500 is a 471cc parallel twin-engine, delivering a harmonious balance between power and manageability. Producing around 45 horsepower, the engine provides enough oomph to make city commutes and highway cruises equally enjoyable. Its power delivery is smooth and predictable, ensuring that new riders can become comfortable with the throttle without being overwhelmed. This balance between performance and control is crucial for beginners to develop their riding skills in a progressive manner. Comfortable and accessible ergonomics. Comfort plays a vital role, especially for riders who are just starting their journey. The Rebel 500's riding position strikes a balance between relaxed cruiser ergonomics and agility, making it easy to handle while also promoting rider comfort. The low seat height allows riders to plant their feet firmly on the ground, enhancing confidence during stops and slow maneuvers. This accessibility extends to the bike's controls, which are intuitive and well-placed for ease of use. Lightweight and maneuverable. Weighing in at approximately 414 pounds, the Rebel 500 is relatively light and nimble, a feature that significantly contributes to its beginner-friendly nature. Maneuvering through traffic, navigating tight corners, and parking in confined spaces become effortless tasks, allowing riders to focus on enjoying the ride rather than wrestling with a heavy machine. This agility instills a sense of control that's essential for building riding confidence. Versatile and customizable. One of the Rebel 500's standout qualities is its versatility. Whether it's commuting to work, cruising along scenic routes, or embarking on weekend getaways, this bike adapts to various riding styles and situations. Furthermore, Honda offers a range of accessories and customization options, allowing riders to tailor their Rebel 500 to suit their individual preferences and needs. This personal touch not only enhances the ownership experience but also fosters a sense of ownership and pride. Safety features for assurance. Safety is paramount for any beginner rider. The Rebel 500 addresses this concern by offering optional anti-lock braking system, ABS, technology. ABS prevents will lock up during hard braking, enhancing stability and control, particularly in emergency situations. This safety feature provides riders with the confidence to brake confidently, even in less than ideal conditions. Economic efficiency. For beginners, cost-effectiveness is a crucial consideration. The Rebel 500's fuel-efficient engine not only reduces the frequency of fuel stops but also keeps overall running costs reasonable. This efficiency is a practical benefit that complements the bike's user-friendly nature. Building skills and confidence. The Honda Rebel 500 serves as more than just a motorcycle, it's a platform for skill development and confidence building. Its manageable power, comfortable ergonomics, and approachable handling empower new riders to progress steadily in their journey. As beginners become more familiar with the bike's characteristics, they gain the expertise needed to handle more diverse riding conditions and challenges. A beginning that lasts. The Honda Rebel 500 is not merely a stepping stone, it's a companion that can accompany riders for the long haul. As beginners evolve into experienced riders, the Rebel 500's adaptability means it can continue to provide enjoyable and fulfilling rides. Its reliability, ease of maintenance, and timeless style ensure that it remains a cherished part of a rider's journey. In conclusion, the Honda Rebel 500 isn't just a motorcycle, it's an invitation to the world of motorcycling. For beginner riders, it offers an ideal blend of approachability, style, and performance that fosters a positive and transformative experience. With its balanced power, comfortable ergonomics, and user-friendly features, the Rebel 500 is a solid foundation for novice riders to build their skills, confidence, and passion for the open road. As a symbol of entry into the motorcycling lifestyle, the Rebel 500 is poised to ignite a lifelong journey of adventure, camaraderie, and self-discovery.